our house keys for the week. Let's see what this looks like.
What room are we in?
2338.
Do you know where you are?
No,
What ship are you on?
the Horizon.
Walking in, you have the famous Carnival desk area. You have 2 USBs, 2 120s, and you have 1 230. That's the international plug. Drawer, the refrigerator. You have a king bed. Any power around the lamps? No power around the lamps. We do have a couch and a table. Carla is with us, so this will be her bed for the cruise. Storage options, we got 3 shelves, a safe, and 3 drawers. And then we have double closets to hang everything. It's gonna be tight, but I think we can make it work. Bathroom. It's got the famous Carnival shower curtain. Handheld shower gel, hand soap. You got 3 shelves in the bathroom, as you can see. Hello. Couple holders. Trash can. We do have a Cove balcony. We're on deck 2, like I said. The door opens. It has a lock right here. You come out here, and that's where Amanda and Carla hide.
Hi.
2 chairs and a table,
And a wonderful view.
and this view. Miami's such a beautiful place. Icons down there. Can you guys see it? There's downtown. Very pleasant out here. I think I'm going to like this balcony. It's under all the lifeboats, so we're going to have shade. Well, it's going to be nice. But that's our room on the Carnival Horizon for this cruise. Room 2338. We're going to the ABC Islands. I think we're going to be okay. So if you're thinking about booking a Cove balcony, I say it's a win. It's a great room so far. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching.